We begin with the problem, and that is how can we move students towards buying new books. For this, we have questions like how can attract students to buy new books, what are the students missing, lacking in buying new books, how do students make their decisions to buy their books, which factors influence these decisions, which marketing and communication strategy can we use to convince the students to buy new books. To answer to these questions, we must collect many information on the market and on the behavior of the students. For this, we use type of information like primary sources, one big survey in our school, HVA, and after that in UVA. And for secondary sources, we might use general survey in Netherlands. For type of primary and secondary data, we have quantitative data. Before to make any strategy, we have to collect information on the market, like book sales, type of book, digital or physical, premium education brands, the way how they sell their books in the Netherlands and in our school. This quantitative data in the form of statistic will be analyzed. Qualitative data analyze, explain why people act in certain ways, their feelings about these actions, so we have to be in contact with them to understand their behavior. In this way, we'll be able to respond at this question. Why have they this behavior? Surveys, interviews, observations for our focus groups can be interesting sources for us. Thus, qualitative data will be used through conducting interviews and focus groups. For type of sources, the number of sources is really important. Indeed, the more data we have on the subject, the more specific it will be. Articles, books, cases, newspapers, and many others will help us to find some quantitative and qualitative data. In this way, we will be able to solve the problem. But some information can be biased or fake. Inexperienced persons can collect the data and impact the output. Therefore, we must select the good information among our database to have relevant results and realize our own survey. Our survey is a good way to be more specific and understand the student behavior. At the end, when we will have enough information, you can compare them to see if the output are similar or not. With this information, we expect to understand more the market and the behavior of the students. In this way, we will know what they expect and what they want for a new book. We'll be able to define a market strategy and find some solution or innovation to convince them to buy new books.